Ever watched a buck pause, look your way, and then slip right back into the trees? The right sound could change that entire moment. Today, I'm revealing the top 5 best deer grunt calls for hunting 2026. Welcome to my channel. Call smarter, draw deer closer, and hunt with real confidence. Trusted picks are linked below. The number 5 product on our list is the Hunter's Specialties Deer Grunt Call. More hunts fall apart from silence than bad shooting, and this call fixes that weakness from the first breath. The tone comes out rich and believable, clearly tested in real cold morning hunting conditions where timing matters most. Many hunters get frustrated with calls that sound hollow or forced, but this model brings depth and natural aggression that whitetails actually respond to. Switching between buck, doe, and deeper growl tones gives you a sense of calm strategy instead of guessing. Compared to stiff tube designs, the realism feels smoother and more instinctive. The pros include flexible vocal range, easy finger control, steady grip in wet weather, and fast access in tight moments. The cons include limited extreme volume and a brief learning phase for brand new callers. We only recommend gear that proves itself in the woods, and this call fits hunters who want believable sound without unnecessary noise. At number 4 is the Flextone Deer Grunt Call. Many hunters fail not because deer ignore them, but because their call simply doesn't sound right. This flexible throat design fixes that instantly. The tones come out lively and adjustable, clearly shaped for real-world use during cold sits and pressured moments. With a squeeze or shift, you can create buck grunts, bleats, and more expressive challenge tones. That adaptability brings real relief when the woods go quiet, and you need a sound that actually convinces deer. Cheaper calls lock you into one pitch, but this one adapts fast without losing realism. Compared to rigid tubes, the sound feels deeper and more responsive. The pros include excellent vocal range, soft, quiet body, easy tone shaping, and strong cold weather reliability. The cons are slightly reduced volume at long distance and a short practice curve. We only stand behind gear that earns trust, and this fits hunters who value subtle control and believable sound over loud guesswork. The third one on our list is the Outdoor Hunting Lab Deer Grunt Call. Many hunts collapse when the call sounds off, and this model fixes that frustration as soon as it hits your hand. From the first controlled grunt, the tone feels natural and steady, clearly tested in real-world hunting weather. The ability to switch between buck, doe, and fawn sounds without complication brings instant confidence when deer are close but cautious. The pitch carries naturally without sounding aggressive or fake, which gives you a sense of control when the timing matters most. Compared to simple plastic tubes, tone transitions feel cleaner and far more believable. The pros include consistent sound in bad weather, smooth volume adjustment, durable build quality, and strong realism. The cons include slightly less aggression than oversized calls and minor practice required for perfect tone shifts. We only recommend what works under pressure, and this fits hunters who want trustworthy sound and steady control during key moments. On number 2 is the Woodhaven Deer Grunt Call. Many hunters don't realize how often a flat, lifeless grunt sends deer in the opposite direction, and this call turns that problem around immediately. The first tone comes out deep and confident, shaped through real hunts and long, cold sits. Most calls either sound too weak or too aggressive, but this one balances both, giving instant peace of mind when timing is tight. You can move from subtle curiosity grunts to more authoritative tones smoothly, helping influence deer behavior without sounding artificial. Compared to bulky grunt tubes, the sound here feels smoother and easier to manage when stress rises. The pros include easy operation, weather reliability, realistic tone transitions, and durable craftsmanship. The cons include limited advanced tuning and a naturally louder bass tone in tight setups. We only stand behind gear that wins real hunts, and this model suits hunters who want dependable sound and smart tone control when seconds matter. Now moving to the last one is the Illusion Systems Deer Grunt Call. Most hunters lose opportunities because their call freezes, sticks, or sounds wrong at the worst moment, but this design avoids all of that. From the first push of air, the tones come through controlled and believable, whether you need dominance, curiosity, or urgency. It's clearly tested for real-world comfort in cold weather hunts. The adjustable system shifts between buck, doe, and fawn sounds without needing additional tools, making it feel more like communication than random noise. Compared to cheap tube calls, this model offers richer range and smoother transitions. The pros include unmatched versatility, freeze-proof reliability, realistic tonal depth, and confidence-building control. The cons include slightly more hand movement and a short learning curve. We only recommend gear that truly performs, and this fits hunters who want adaptable realism in unpredictable deer encounters. Among all, the winner is the Outdoor Hunting Lab Deer Grunt Call because it delivers clean realism, easy blowing, weather-ready durability, and sound that consistently pulls cautious bucks those last few critical yards. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best deer grunt calls for hunting 2026. All links are in the description. Go check them out. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.